Hey, welcome to Starbucks. Can I get something started for you?
Coffee. It is one of the beverages many students prefer for a busy day, and the Starbucks on campus is the one they turn to. Students make their way into the Starbucks coffee house each day, located in the Henry Madden Library, which makes it one of the busiest in Fresno. Every morning, the Starbucks staff engages a rush of students anxious to get their morning fix, leading to long lines and a lot of waiting.
9 o'clock is the dead start for our rush hour, so to say. About 10 o'clock it starts to die down a little bit, but we still got a constant line going throughout the afternoon, about 3 in the afternoon or so.
But that doesn't stop students from continuing to purchase their favorite coffees and mochachinos.
My favorite is the caramel macchiato, but sometimes I just prefer the regular coffee.
I've been late before, but I try not to be. Try to come a little bit earlier than usual. But if it happens, it happens.
If students would rather avoid the rush, manager Ricky Serrano has a suggestion.
Really, we open at 7:45 in the morning with the library. If you're here between 7:45 to 8 o'clock, or to 9 o'clock, you're looking at not having a line really at all in Starbucks.
The busiest Starbucks in Fresno is right here on your campus. So if you want your morning coffee, get here early. For the Collegian Online, I'm Siobhan Furrow.